we are going to have the items in a list by using the tag li. Again, it is also a open tag and it is a closed tag. The list item starts with Roman number 7 here. Starting is 7, Roman number 7, 8 and 9. Here, with the help of anchor tag, it is possible for us to link or connect from one web page to another web page within the website, or also possible to connect from one website to another website. My dear students, welcome to CS classes. I am Ravi Kumar KR, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram PU College, Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Students, today we are going to start our session with few more tags of HTML. So, in this session, we are going to cover the concepts, list, links, inserting images and background. So, we are going to learn few of the tags of HTML in this session. Now, let us move on to the slide. Now, first let us see list. So, what are lists in HTML? So, list, it allows to group a set of related items in a list. So, generally we know what is a list. So, it is a group of related items. So, we can prepare a list with the number 1, 2, 3, 4. It is for example, student list. We write serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it is a list. So, what is a list? It is a group of, or it allows to make a group or set of related items is a list. Now, in HTML, we can find there are two types of list here. One is ordered list and second one is unordered list. Now, already have learned in first PUC what are ordered lists. See, these are the by default. Ordered list is the list of items with numbers like 1, 2, 3, or you can have A, B, C, or Roman number 1, 2, 3. So, those are called as ordered list and we use the tag OL. The tag is OL, that is ordered list. And another type of tag is unordered list. Here we use the tag UL. UL stands for unordered list and it is a list with bullets. So, these two are different types of list in HTML. Now, under order list, it is possible to have a number listing or number list. So, what is this? This tag is used to make different kinds of number list. So, we can have different kinds of number list under order list, under number list. Now, let us see what are different types of number list. Here, plain numbers, capital letters, small letters, capital Roman numbers, as well as small Roman numbers. See, these are all the things we can see with examples. Now, let us move on to next slide. Here, we can see one example. This is OL. As I told you, OL is the tag for ordered list and it is a paired tag, and once it's open, it has to be closed at the end and with forward slash. So, this is open tag and this is closed tag. In between, we have tag called LI, that is called list items. So, here we are going to have the items in a list by using the tag li. Again, it is also a open tag and it is a closed tag. So, in between, we can have the text or information in the list. So, look at this example. In this example, OL, open tag, and li is the list item and the text here, and we can have number of list or number of items in a list, and all list, it has one all list. I mean, li tag is a paired tag. Once if it open, it has to be closed. And after this, we have to close OL tag. So, this is one type of number list. So, this is by default. By default, if you write like this, it list generates with the serial number 1, 2, 3. So, this is the default number list. Now, let us see the second example here. Here, OL start equals to 5. So, here suppose I want to have a list starting with some other number. By default, generally, if you use the OL tag, by default, it starts with the list items, numbers from 1, 2, 3. Suppose in case I want to change the order or I want to start with some other number. So we can have one more attribute here, start. So we can make use of this here. So OL start equals to 5 within double quote and close OL tag here. So after this, then we have to write the list item, tags, list item. So after this, how we have written here, similarly we have to write the list item here. So then the output would be, this is one line, this is another line, and this is the final line. These are the list items, and the list item starts with number 5 and next 6 and 7 because we have used the number here 5 as a starting number. This is another example for numbered list. Now let us look into another example. Here OL type equals to A. So here A stands for, here that is list starts with capital letter A. So here list, again we have to write the same list items here with LI tag, open and close tag. We can have number of item, and again we have to close this OL tag at the end. You have to close this OL tag at the end. That is very important. Now the result of this would be the list item starts with capital letter A. So here accordingly the output would be A, B, C, and these are the list items. So this is one example of numbered list. Now let us move on to next slide and let us see other types of numbered list. Now next example is OL type equals to A, that is small letter A within double quote. So here the list item starts with small letter A. So output for this example would be A, B, C. So these are the list items, and these are the items what we have mentioned here as a text here. So this is another example for numbered list. Now let us move on to next example, and here OL type equals to I. This is Roman number I. This capital letter I stands for Roman number. So here it starts a number list using capital Roman numbers. So here in this example, here this is OL, the output would be 1, 2, 3 in capital Roman numbers. Next example is OL type equal to small letter I. So the list starts with small letter Roman numbers 1, 2, 3. So these are another type of or example for numbered list. Now let us look into other examples of numbered list. Here OL type equals to capital letter I. It stands for Roman numbers in caps or capital letters Roman numbers. And here for example OL type equals to I starts with 7. So here the list item starts with Roman number 7 here. Starting is 7, Roman number 7, 8 and 9. So this is the output for this example. Similarly, if I write here OL type equals to I, this is small letter. So here OL type equals to I, start equal to 7. So for this output would be the starts with 7, Roman number 7 in small letters, 7, 8, 9. So these are another type of list. So these are number list we can make use of in HTML language. Now let us move on to another slide, and here next tag is links. That is nothing but hyperlinks. So the link tag is used to produce links or the A, and it is a open tag and it is a closed tag. Here A stands for anchor tag. So we are using A or anchor tag to connect the items or connect the information from one website to another website, or one web page to another web page within the same website. That is the use of this links, or that is the use of this anchor tag. So here everything between those two work as a link. Here this is the tag given here. In between we are going to write the destination address. Now look at the syntax here. This is open tag A and href equals, and within the double quote, the what you are going to write, that would be the destination address. So this press the current website, takes us to the destination link with the help of hyperlink. And this is closed here, this anchor tag plus text. Now we are closing this close tag here. So the text appears as a hyperlink. Now here, as I told you, A stands for anchor tag. It defined as a means to create a hyperlink that can link your current web page to another web page. So here, with the help of anchor tag, it is possible for us to link or connect from one web page to another web page within the website, or also possible to connect from one website to another website. Next one is the href. The syntax here, href, it is implemented for defining the address or path which is hypertext will get linked. Meaning is that it takes us to the destination or what we have written inside this in the syntax. So that is the use of href here. Next, this is the normal syntax, what I have written here, A, href and the double quote. And this specifies the target page or the destination, and text it appears as a hyperlink. Next, for example, A, href equals, we are writing the destination address and click here, this is the text, it appears as a hyperlink. So this is one of the HTML tag, that is link or anchor tag. It helps us to connect information from one website to another website or from one web page to another web page within the same website. Now let us look into another HTML tag, that is inserting images, that is img tag. So what is img tag? There is img stands for image. So this tag is used to insert an image in website. So with the help of image tag, it is possible for us to insert any type of image into our website or web page. Now look at the syntax here, img src equals to the information here and close img tag here. So here img stands for image, src for source, and image file. This is the file. What are the information, what file we have to insert into the web page. So this is the file name we have to write along with the exact path. Means this is nothing but the location of the web page. That is very, very important here. Now look at the example here, img src, and this is the address, and rainbow.jf, this is the final file name. So this file name will be inserted into our web page. And another example here img src and the address rainbow.jf is the file. Along with that, we are using two more attributes, width and height. So width equal to 60 and height equal to 60. It is possible for us to mention the dimension for that particular image. That is the use of this attribute width and height. And look at one more example here, img src, and this is the address, same rainbow.jf, and we are using one more attribute is border equal to 5. This is border for the particular image. So this is an img tag along with different attributes. So img tag is used to insert an images into our web page. Now let us move on to next tag, that is background tag. And here this background tag is used to add background images to our website or web page. So what is syntax? Look at the syntax. The syntax is body, and actually this background tag normally we use along with the body tag here. So open the body tag here, write background equals to file name, and this file name we have to write the background image file name along with its exact location or along its with exact path. And here that is the file name. Then we are closing this body tag here. So background tag we are using along with the body tag. Next, one more example. This is a syntax example here. Background equals, this is drk rainbow.jf, this is the file name. And another example is, this is the file name, and along with bg color, this is one more option or one more attribute we can use along with body or along with the background tag. So background tag is used to insert a background image to our website or to a web page, and it is also possible to have background color and background images. So this is background tag. Students, now let us learn few more HTML tags in our next session. Thank you.